Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about stunning videos in minutes using Halo AI. So this is actually a really good AI that I've found also in my topic section. Making this video really makes it amazing. So this actually will help me sometime in the future, not just as a content creator, but doing tutorials and all for you guys in this channel. So as you can see, it's hyper realistic, which is actually crazy as you can see. It's not totally accurate as you see that guy's waving something weird in the top left corner or something right here that there are weird fidgety things going on in the video, but it's hyper realistic to a point once you prompt it in the right direction. So we have one right here. So prompt is medium shot backwards as early 20s with long brown hair, hazel eyes, worn white dress, walks forward and glances over. So when you prompt your actual video like that, it's really hyper realistic. So you can recreate that right here. So medium shot, tracking backwards as Sarah. So maybe you can do it in a story. So if you have many credits and not just a free trial, you'll be able to create an actual movie out of this, which is crazy. So you can get inspiration right here by going to the Explore tab and checking out how people prompt it, and maybe you'll get ideas on how to do so. So this is one also that's really crazy. So let's replace that. The camera pans around the girl and she appears confident, serene, and snow. So as you can see right here, it looks something out of Game of Thrones kind of thing or Legends of Narnia or something like that. As you can see, it's really hyper realistic. So you can create and generate one right here, and there's going to be some models up top right here, subject reference, image to video, or text to video. So it will matter on how you prompt it and how you do so. You can even get actual let's say reference from Leonardo, or maybe probably just ChatGPT if you want to. But basically this is how it works. It's really simple as you can see. So hyper realistic. I really love it. And as you can see, you can even maybe create music videos at some point, even Disney movies with this AI. And this picture is actually moving right here. This is a still image and it's just no prompt and it's even moving by itself, which is crazy good. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.